Namaskar. Welcome to Mahua's kitchen. I'm Mahua again in my kitchen to make a recipe and share with you. This is a Bengali dish called Kachkalar Kofta made out of raw banana. Let's check out. To make this recipe I need raw banana. The ingredients which I have used in this recipe, I will give it in the description box, the amount. Please check below. And please do view the full recipe, the process I'm doing this, you can get to know. First, I'm going to boil the raw banana with the skin. And now I'm peeling off the skin here. Always remember to boil your raw banana with the skin so that it won't be watery. And now I'm going to smash it. Now in a pan I'm going to add round about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and fry the onions here till golden brown. My onions have been browned and now I'm taking out in a bowl. And now in the same oil, if you find that your oil is a bit more, then you can take it out a little bit. Around about 1 tablespoon of oil is more than enough I need here. And I am adding ginger paste, little bit of coriander powder, cumin powder, haldi powder or turmeric powder, and chili powder. And I am going to stir this in the oil and fry a little bit. Remember the flame should be slow and saute here. Now I'm going to add little bit of warm water to fry because it needs a little bit of water so that it doesn't burn. Remember, I always add warm water whenever I saute any masala or for any curry. Always use warm water, it gives good taste to it. Now I'm adding little bit of cardamom seeds to it. I'm breaking it and adding cardamom and salt to taste and stir a bit. Then I'm adding our smashed raw banana here and mix well with the masala. My raw banana is almost done and it coated well with the masalas. All the flavors is coming well. And now I'm taking it out and I'll cool it down. Now in a bowl I'm adding round about 4-5 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'll make a paste out of this, a batter, a liquid batter, adding salt and little bit of turmeric powder and mix well. Remember, we need here little bit liquid sort of batter here, and mix well so that there is no lumps. See, my batter is this type of consistency I need. Remember to mix it well so that there is no lumps. Now with the raw banana, I'll take a small portion and add the fried onions into the raw banana, chopped cashew nut and chopped raisins, and make a stuffings with this and make a shape. I'm making a round shape, you can make a shape according to your desire. And I have done it all. And now I'm going to coat this in the corn flour mixture. See the way I'm coating it. I'm not over coating it because it's a liquid consistency. See the way I'm coating, you just coat here and fry in the oil. And again I'm going to remind you that I have a Bengali channel too. The link is in the description box and in the I button too. Please do check once. Now I'll take a bowl and add little bit of water to it and add half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and chili powder 1 teaspoon, and mix a paste with this. And I'll rest it for few minutes so that the masala coats well in the, dissolves well in the water. Now back to my koftas. Yes, it is golden brown. Now I'm going to take it out. my koftas are ready. I'm going to take it out in a serving bowl. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of oil and add the whole cardamom and cinnamon and bay leaves to it and fry it till the aroma comes out. Now I'll add a little bit of sugar into the oil and stir it till the sugar dissolves to get a beautiful color out of it. And I will add a paste of 1 medium-sized tomato into it and stir it properly till the raw smell of the tomato goes away. If you like the recipes and you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. And now I'm adding a little bit of hing, around about half a teaspoon of hing into it and mix well. Now when my masala releases oil, now I'm going to add the masala paste which I have made with water and stir well. After my masala is done, see the oil releases from the masala. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and mix well. After a few minutes, I'm going to add around about 1.5 cup of hot water and boil. Cover it and boil. My gravy is boiling and now I'm adding garam masala into it and again bring to some boil. And now I'm adding ghee or clarified butter into it and fresh cream or malai, homemade malai, whatever, and cover it for a few minutes. After 2 minutes, my gravy is boiling now and I will switch off the gas. It's done and I will pour it into the koftas and rest it for around about 3-4 minutes so that the kofta soaks the gravy well into it and all the things blend together, and really it gives a wonderful taste. I tell you, just try once, and the stuffings inside is mouth melting. Just try once and see, so soft, and the gravy has become thick by the time, and really you will love this. Please do let me know in the comment section how did you like.